Hey gang, I just wanted to revisit the bean video. Oh, there's the bean. And that's a traffic light right there. Now this is just the 1 second portion where it goes up and then levels off like that. Here we go. See if I can show this to you. Okay, we'll do that again so you can see it. Okay, let me move a screen over a little bit. How about over there so you can see it a little better? Okay. Zoom it in a little bit more. I think it's the max I can zoom it. Okay. Do it again. It's so awesome. So I have a lot of video of this one. I got a little bit of footage of it that was right above my head. This is it.
That's
I have to move away a little bit.
Just overhead, but I couldn't
I've got
get a
like
video of it.
2 minutes of it here.
Not just sitting there. Just sitting there. At maximum zoom, yep.
I got some more footage of it here. This is one of the closer pictures. You can see some field effects around it. More field effects. The bean. This was some analysis done on it. There's quite a bit of analysis done on it, actually. Anyway, just thought you guys would enjoy that blast from the past. Much love.